Welcome to Mystery Mike. Thank y'all for tuning in. Alrighty. Well, I got this tractor all rigged up here for disking the field. And I'll just show you a little bit. I hooked this, I guess this is about a 6-foot disc. It's not a real big disc, it's a small disc. And I got some real good friends down the road. They're letting me disc up about 2 acres. And it's going to take a little while with this disc here, but you got to use what you got. And we're going to put in some real nice orchard grass. And I'll show you the field when I get down the road. I took the spear off and I'm going to put the bucket on so I can push back the approaching woods on the field so I can get up to the edges real nice. This is real easy for hooking up and unhooking. Go ahead and put that bucket on, and then I'm going to head down to the field. I got everything oiled up and greased up. It's real important to grease your equipment, because once that grease runs out, then it's rubbing on metal. So if you want everything to last nice and long and have no problems, it's good to go ahead and always make sure you grease your equipment. Before I head down the road, I got to fuel up here a little bit, and then I'll head on down. This is a real nice, pretty, secluded field. And I just started disking a little bit here, and I'm going to disc it up real good, and then we're going to plant it in. So I'm going to show you before, then I'll show you it after.
Orchard grass seed. Spreading some seed. Now he's just lightly disking, pulling a drag to fill in the ruts from the disc and to cover the seed with dirt. Dust is flying, you'll have a good crop, I think. Dust is flying.
Here, wrapping, or my son's wrapping some bales of hay here, and I just come in and look at the cattle here in the pasture, and this one here looks like she had just a little too much to eat. That's because she's going to also calf real soon, but she does like to eat a lot, as you see. That's going to wrap that bale of hay, make it airtight, and it's sort of just like you would pickled cucumber, and that would be a real nice feed in the spring here. Well, I mean, take that long. I think it takes about 6 to 8 weeks for us to pickle up. Well, we won't use it for quite some time because we still have some old bales. That's all they want. Food, food, food. Sounds like me. And just remember, be someone important, be yourself. Till next time, God bless. See ya.